Hi guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. I know that the current situation of Sri Lanka is not that good, but I hope you guys are fine. This new video is a Q&A setup that will help you guys to score well in essays and structured essays. So by using this, you can memorize all the key facts that comes under the circulatory system, which is a subpart of Unit 5. This is quite long and there are about 135 questions in this tutorial. So use the link in the description to download the tutorial, and I'm sure that it will help you to make your revision sessions more interesting. So guys, these questions are totally based on the resource book and you can rely on it. Actually, these questions can summarize the whole sub-part of circulatory system, and it is really helpful in essays, especially when you have to write long answers. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and support this channel. See you soon from the next video. Bye.